Okay, Algebra 2, we need to work through this quiz on rational expressions. The big key thing here is the ability to factor. So when I look at this guy, top, that is the difference of two squares. So 2x plus 3 over 2x minus 3. Now the bottom is a quadratic. It will factor if I can find numbers that multiply to -6 and add to -1. So the numbers that do that are -3 and +2. So this is 2x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 3. Factor by grouping. Factor out an x, 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3. This is x plus 1 times 2x minus 3. The exclusions are anywhere the denominator is 0. So x cannot be -1 and x cannot be 3/2. Now to simplify this guy, you've got 2x minus 3 divided by 2x minus 3. Final answer here is 2x plus 3 over x plus 1. Number 2, this is a division problem. I need to be able to factor and turn it into multiplication. Top of this first fraction, you're looking for numbers that multiply to 24 and add to 10. Those numbers are 4 and 6. So this is x plus 4, x plus 6. Bottom of that fraction, that's the difference of two squares. X plus 4, x minus 4. Turn it into multiplication means I multiply by the reciprocal. X minus 4, x plus 4. And then will anything simplify? X plus 4 over x plus 4, x minus 4 over x minus 4. This is x plus 6 over x minus 4. The exclusions are anywhere the denominator would be 0. So x cannot be plus or minus 4. Next expression, top of this fraction, this is the sum of cubes. You should not be shocked to see it because you were told it would be on every test in terms of factoring. So how does that factor? That is x plus 2, x squared minus 2x plus 4. Now, x squared minus 6x minus 8. Are there numbers that multiply to -8 and add to -6? The only factors of 8 are 1 and 8, 2 and 4. To get a negative out of there, you're going to have to make one of these numbers negative. So that's either going to combine and give you a 2 or a -2. So this does not factor. So this is x squared minus 6x minus 8. Turn that division into multiplication. And the only thing that's going to cancel here is the x plus 2. So this is x squared minus 2x plus 4. Now the exclusions, you know that x cannot be -2, and then this quadratic right here cannot be 0. X squared minus 6x minus 8, what makes that equal to 0? That's when x is equal to 6, plus or minus the square root of 36, minus 4 times 1 times -8 over 2. X is equal to 6, plus or minus the square root of 68 over 2. This is x equals 6, plus or minus the square root of 4 times 17 over 2. X is equal to 6 over 2, plus or minus 2 over 2 times the square root of 17. x equal 3 plus or minus the square root of 17. So those are my other exclusions. X cannot be 3 plus or minus the square root of 17. Next problem is a multiplication. Lots of factoring has to happen here. First guy is the difference of squares. X plus 3, x minus 3. Beneath it, same thing, difference of squares. X plus 2, x minus 2 times. The next one, numbers that multiply to negative 2 and add to negative 1. Those are negative 2 and positive 1. The next one, there are a lot of people that just really forgot how to factor these things that start with a number in front of x squared other than 1. You're looking for numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. Those numbers are 2 and 3. So this is 2x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 3. Factor out a 2x. You're left with x plus 1 plus 3. X plus 1. So this is 2x plus 3 times x plus 1. This is a good time to list my exclusions. X cannot be 2 or negative 2, minus 3 halves, or minus 1. Now when you go to simplify this, you're going to have x plus 1 over x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 2, and that should be it. So your final answer is x plus 3, x minus 3 over 2x plus 3, x plus 1. Factor. Remember, my first method of factoring is greatest common factor. The first guy, that is 2 times x minus 1 times 4 times x plus 1 over difference of squares, x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 4 times x minus 1 over x. Exclusions. X cannot be plus or minus 1, x cannot be 4, and x cannot be 0. How does this cancel? The x minus 1 cancels there. The x plus 1 cancels here. So you're left with 2 times 4, which is 8, times x minus 1 over x times x minus 4. Perform this operation and simplify. This is addition. So if I look at this, first need to focus on a common denominator. So x squared plus x minus 2, this is x plus 2, x minus 1. So you have 6x squared minus 11x minus 10 over x plus 2, x minus 1, plus 5 over x minus 1. This needs to be multiplied by x plus 2 over x plus 2. This gives me 6x squared minus 11x minus 10 plus 5 times x plus 2, all of that over the common denominator. Which is 6x squared minus 11x minus 10 plus 5x plus 10. You're going to have 6x squared, and then minus 11x plus 5x is minus 6x. Minus 10 plus 10 is 0. The greatest common factor there is 6x times x minus 1 over x minus 1, x plus 2. simplification here with these two x minus 1's, final answer is 6x over x plus 2. Let's see, I can write this as 1 over, you factor out a 3, x minus 2, minus 2, x plus 1 over, this is going to be x plus 1, x minus 2. Now, this one has a nice simplification. This problem turns into 1 over 3, x minus 2, minus 2 over x minus 2. Common denominator is 3 times x minus 2. This just has to be multiplied by 3 over 3. So this gives me 1 minus 6 over 3x minus 2, which is minus 5 over 3x minus 2. Complex fraction, you have to have a common denominator. So you've got 3 over x minus 2 minus 2 over x plus 2 x minus 2 divided by 3 over x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2. Common denominator is x plus 2x minus 2. So this guy has to be multiplied by x plus 2 over x plus 2. This one has to be multiplied by x minus 2 over x minus 2. And this one has to be multiplied by x plus 2 over x plus 2. So what I get when you do this multiplication here, that's 3x plus 6. So 3x plus 6 minus 2 over x plus 2 x minus 2. Over here you get 3x minus 6 minus x plus 2 over x plus 2 x minus 2. So this is 3x plus 4 over x plus 2 x minus 2 over, then you get 3x minus x, so that's going to be what, 2x, so yeah, that's 2x, and then minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 over x plus 2 x minus 2. Oh, sorry about this typo. There's a 1 there. So this is plus, so that gives me 4x minus 4. Sorry about that. Now you turn this into multiplication. 3x plus 4 over x plus 2 x minus 2 so this gives you 3x plus 4 over 4x minus 4, and the only other thing is you can factor a 4 out of that denominator. 3x plus 4 over 4 x minus 1. In the next one, you need a common denominator, so 1 over x plus 2 minus 1, that has to be multiplied by x plus 2 over x plus 2 over 1, that needs the same denominator. So up top, you're going to have 1 minus x minus 2 over x plus 2. On the bottom, you're going to have x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 2. So this gives us minus x minus 1 over x plus 2, x plus 3 over x plus 2, turn this into multiplication. And the terms that cancel are right here. So this is minus x minus 1 over x plus 3. You could have factored out a -1 and written it as this. So either one of these answers would have sufficed. Next problem, factor this guy and simplify completely. Okay, so if you look at this, when you FOIL this, you're going to get x squared plus 5x plus 6 minus 2 over x squared plus 7x plus 12 minus 2. This is x squared plus 5x plus 4 over x squared plus 7x plus 10. And numbers that multiply to 4 and add to 5, this is x plus 1, x plus 4. Numbers that multiply to 10 and add to 7, that's 2 and 5. So that is answer D. If b plus c over c is equal to 16 over 17, what's the value of c over b? Well, this equation is just b over c plus c over c equals 16 over 17. So this is b over c plus 1 is equal to 16 17ths. So this gives us b over c is equal to 16 17th minus 1. b over c is equal to 16 17ths minus 17 17ths. b over c is minus 1 17th. If that's b over c, take the reciprocal. c over b is minus 17 over 1, which is this answer right here.